Good evening, students. Let us continue the lectures what we are discussing under matrices. So here in the previous video, when we discussed about elementary matrix, what is actually the advantage of that is very clearly you understand from this. For example, if I take matrix A 1, 4, 2, 2, 0, 9, 1, 1, 1. Let us take an example. Any matrix can take, not only square matrix, any matrix. Here I took a matrix of size 3 by 3. Suppose if I apply ERO, ERO means elementary row operation. So I would like to change the rows. Let us designate the rows here because ERO means we have to operate on rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3. I would like to change row 2 now. Row 2 is going to change. So the scheme is that changing row, just let us write R2, it must be there. And one more row we have to take either row 1 or R3 of your choice. Let's take, I'll take R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2, R2 plus R1. If you apply this on this matrix, the new matrix will be like this. Whenever you are going to apply ERO or ECO, the changing matrix you have to show like this because it's going to change. Here row 2 is going to change. So row 1 remains as it is. Row 3 remains as it is. Now what is the operation here? R2, how the elements are going to change? By adding row 1 elements and row 2 elements. So row 2 plus row 1, 2 plus 1, it is 3. 0 plus 4, it is 4. 9 plus 2, it is 11. So this is a matrix. The new matrix, whatever is obtained, it just very clearly we can able to show with help of elementary matrix what I covered in the previous video. Let us take the identity matrix of size 3 because we have taken a 3 by 3 matrix for A. So this ID matrix. Same operation if you apply on this. We get elementary matrix E1. E1. So here row 1 will be as it is. Row 3 will be as it is. Now apply the same operation R2 plus R1. 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 0. Now what is the relation of this with the help of these two? So when you apply ERO, elementary row operations, elementary row operation, short form I wrote. Whenever you apply elementary row operation in matrix, we are going to get a new matrix like this. But I would like to show the advantage of this one and this one. The same matrix will be obtained by multiplying E1 and A. E1 and A. For any row operations, the elementary matrix, it is called elementary matrix. Because we operated the row operation on this ID matrix, it is called elementary matrix. Elementary matrix. So by multiplying E1 and A, first E1 and A. When you take ECO, A and C and E1, A and E1. Let us see what is going to happen. So it is a original matrix. We applied ERO on this matrix. We got a new matrix A like this. Because I took A is 3 by 3. Let us take identity matrix of size 3. The same operation is being applied on ID matrix. We got elementary matrix like this. Now the advantage is that if you find the product, you see E1 into A. when you apply ERO, elementary row operation, the elementary matrix must be multiplied before A. It is called prefactor. It is called prefactor. Prefactor. If you multiply after A, it is called post factor. So if you multiply this E1 and the main matrix, we are going to get the same thing. Let us see this one. So how to multiply the matrices already in the previous videos we covered. It is a row into column transpose method, RC method I told you. The same thing I want to apply here. So here I want to get 1 into 1 plus 0 plus 0. Next 1 into 4 plus 0 into 0 plus 0. Next 1 into 2 is 2 plus 0 plus 0. Next 1 into 1 1 plus 2 plus 0. 1 into 1 1 into 2 0 into 1. Similarly 1 into 4 plus 1 into 0 0 into 1. 1 into 2 plus 9 1 into 9 plus 0. At last 0 plus 0 plus 1. Similarly 0 plus 0 plus 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1. It is a part. You can see the same thing we are going to get. Same matrix 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 11, 1, 1, 1. The same result. So elementary matrices, any operation if you apply on any matrix, it is nothing but, because we are dealing with ID matrices, so the operations is strictly for square matrices. Because ID matrix is square matrix, if you apply any operation, that result will be equal to an elementary matrix which is a prefactor and A. So that is the role played by elementary matrices in product. Similarly, if you apply ECO, the elementary matrix so obtained is multiplied after A. If you perform the product, the same matrix you are going to get whatever you apply ECO on the original matrix. So next video, I would like to cover what is the meaning of rank of a matrix, and slowly we can cover types of methods to compute the rank of a matrix, which play a vital role in solving system of equations in problematic manner. Do share, subscribe our channel. If any doubts are there, you post your comments in comment section. All the best.